Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making Obey Honey chicken wings. So first we're going to start with our clean chicken. We're going to go ahead and season it with some paprika. We're also going to season this chicken with some Obey seasoning, some fresh black pepper, and you're going to give that a quick toss. Make sure you have your oil preheating on 350. Now we're going to go in with some cornstarch, and you're going to mix that in very well until everything is incorporated and coated. Now go ahead and fry your chicken for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on how crispy you like it. Let's get started with our sauce. In a preheated pan, we're going to add in some honey. I love this recipe because it's so simple. Now next adding your hot sauce. Once everything starts to warm up, go ahead and start mixing it in. And also we're going to add in chili flakes. Excuse my phone, I'm recording on that as well. Once your sauce is complete, go ahead and turn your burner off. Let that thicken up. Now we're going to take our chicken out the oil and let that sit to release all the grease. Now shake your chicken with some Obey seasoning. Add your chicken to a bowl, and we're going to drizzle in our sauce, and we're going to mix that until everything is coated. After that, just add some more Obey seasoning to the top. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.